Good morning students. In this video we are trying to discuss a concept of principles of event management, which is public relation. Generally when you try to understand about a public relation, it is nothing but maintaining a good relation with the public. Public relation word itself gives a meaning to you people, which is nothing but it is a relation with the public. Now the same thing if you are implementing in a business, or same thing if you are implementing in a event management. This is something called you are planning, organizing, controlling, coordinating to conduct an event. Here if you are implementing a public relation, then it means you are trying to maintain a good relationship, you are trying to maintain a quality relationship, you are trying to maintain a good relationship with the people or with the public involved in the event management, where the clients is also included, where the people who are conducting an event is also included. In a general way, a public relation is nothing but a relationship maintained with the public by the organization. Your organization, here it is an event management company, your organization maintaining a relation, and there are different varieties of ways where you can maintain a good relation, by providing quality of services, by providing services at less prices, by providing very unique services while conducting an event. So this is the ways where you can maintain a good relation. Just concentrate on the other meaning of a public relation here. It is a strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationship between organization and their public, which is nothing but it is a process of communication. You are communicating, and with the help of that communication you are trying to maintain a good relationship there, which helps in beneficial, which gives the benefits here. A communication, or it is a process, a strategic process of communication which gives the benefit to the organization, which is nothing but you are trying to maintain a good relationship with the public here. That's it. So we got to know a public relation is nothing but it is, in general way, it is a relations with the public. When it comes to the importance of public relation, as an event management company, what is important for the event management company to maintain the relations with the public? So with these points you can identify these are the importance, or these are the things which helps the event management company or the organization here, where a event management company or the organization can target the public. You can target the public, your organization can target the public here. There is a target market concept. There is a thing which you can target a market here, or you can target that particular area of a market where you can increase your sales. The same way even in an event management company, or event management company has to target that public, one particular area, and that particular public is to be targeted so that they can increase their services. They can increase the sales of that services whatever they are providing through event managements. So one of the importance of public relation is the organization can target a public, which gives a positive activity, which gives a positive image for a organization here. And the next, when it comes to this, it helps in maintaining a goodwill of the management company. A event management company can maintain the goodwill if they are maintaining a good relationship with the public. So generally students, when I am an event management company here, if I am involved in event management activities, then simply managing the events is not a work here. With the help of managing events, I have to maintain a good relationship with the public here. If I am not able to maintain a good relationship with the public, what happens? The next time I may get less orders, I may decrease my sales, I may get less orders from the clients, a negative image can be created. Hence we have to maintain a good relation here. if the negative image should not be created about my management, event management company, then what I can do is I have to maintain a good relation. How to maintain a good relation? There are many ways to maintain a good relation, as I was discussing you. You can maintain a good relation with the help of quality services. You can maintain a good relation with the help of giving services at less prices. There are many ways. So if you are maintaining a services, then what happens there? You can maintain the goodwill of your event management company. If not, there is a possibility where your event management company's goodwill may go down. You can decrease your goodwill there. That is also one of the importance. Why we want this public relation in our event management company? We want a public relation to target our public. It is important because we can maintain a goodwill of our event management company. When it comes to this, another importance of public relation, it gives a favorable brand image. It gives a favorable image for my company, event management company. I can give, a public will give a positive image if they are giving positive message to me. Yes, everything was good in an event. The conduct, whatever I have conducted in an event, everything was good. This is nothing but positive image, a favorable image. It is making others to contact me others to contact me for the events, to manage their events, which is nothing but favorable image is created with the help of a public relation. That is also one of the important here. And next is, it helps in maximizing the investment. Different people will see the quality of services I have provided and the quality, the way I have maintained the public relation with the help of events which I have organized. People will see and they try to invest on my event management company. So I can maximize my investment level with the help of a public relation in my event management company. Then the other is, I can expand the business. When it comes to this public relation, as I was telling you, people will see, public will see my event which is conducted by me, the events which is conducted by me here, my management company, and they will give a favorable image. The orders I will get, I can increase my orders, I can increase my clients. This is how I can expand the business. So ultimately, public relation helps in expanding the business of an event management company. So these are the importance of a public relation which we have discussed. That is, it helps in targeting a public, it helps in maintaining the goodwill, it helps in creating a favorable image for my company, it helps in maximizing my investment, it helps in expanding my business. So we tried understanding about meaning of a public relation, we tried understanding about importance of a public relation, and the other concept which we are going to discuss in this video is limitations of public relation. So there are advantages, the same way we get disadvantages also in almost all the aspects. The same way in the public relation we have certain disadvantages. The disadvantages can be, it is really hard to measure the success of a public relation. How much of relation we are maintaining we cannot measure here. What is your sales? Your sales is 1 lakh rupees. What is your sales? Your sales is 50 lakh rupees. Income 50 lakh rupees. Expenses 25 lakh rupees. This type of quantitative measures cannot be done in public relations. This is one disadvantage. This is the way where we cannot measure the success of a public relation. We won't understand or we won't get to know how much we are attracting the public, how much we are interacting the public, how much we are satisfying our customers, our clients through maintaining a good relation. We cannot measure them. So that is one disadvantage. The other disadvantage, misleading of message. A public relation can be maintained with the help of different tools of public relation. Example, media is one of the tools of maintaining a public relation. So we will give a message to the public or media. Media, they will add certain stories in that and they may give a message to the public. A message can be misleaded. A message can be used in a different way. if we are trying to give a positive message to maintain a good relation, that message can be received in the form of a negative way. Because in between the people to whom we have appointed, such as media, those people can mislead the message. That is one disadvantage of a public relation. Next is no guaranteed results here. We don't have a guaranteed results. See, if you are investing some amount in a marketing, pure marketing like advertisement. If you are investing investing amount certain promotional activities, maybe you have a guarantee that you will get a results here. But if I am trying to maintain a good relation, if I am trying to maintain a relation with the public here, so I cannot identify a guaranteed result. As I was telling, we cannot measure the success of a public relation. The same way, we cannot find a guaranteed results in a public relation. That is one of the disadvantages of public relation. The next is, may damage our goodwill. As I was telling, the advantage is it increases our goodwill. We can maintain a goodwill of our event management company. The same way, that much level of risk I have regarding the goodwill of my business, event management company business, I can, or my company's goodwill can be damaged with the help of public relation. I am trying to create a positive image, a negative image is created here. So through this, my goodwill I can lose the goodwill of my event management company. That is also one of the disadvantage of a public relation. Well, students, we have discussed about the meaning of a public relation, importance of public relation, limitations of a public relation. When it comes to the importance of public relation, it helps in targeting a public, it helps in maintaining a goodwill, it helps in creating a favorable image for a company, it helps in maximizing an investment, and also it helps in expanding a business. Whereas when it comes to the limitation of a public relation, it is really hard to measure the success of a public relation. It is really, it may mislead the information, no guaranteed results, and may damage the goodwill. These are the limitations of a public relation. In this video, we have discussed a concept called public relation of principles of event management. The next concepts will be discussed in the next videos of principles of event management. Thank you so much.